Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and detailed tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a backup of your Webflow project, and just as importantly, how to restore it if you ever need to go back in time. Whether you're about to make some big changes or you simply want that extra peace of mind, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to keep your Webflow site safe and sound. So let's jump right into it. First things first, go ahead and open your Webflow project. Now take a look at the top of your dashboard and click on the Settings button. It's kind of like walking through the front door to all the behind-the-scenes tools Webflow has to offer. Once you're inside the settings, you'll see a bunch of different tabs along the top. Find the one labeled Backups and click on it. This is your control center for everything backup related in Webflow. What's really great here is that Webflow automatically creates a backup for you from time to time, especially after you make significant edits. So even if you forget, Webflow's got your back. All the previous backups are listed out, sort of like a timeline you can scroll through. You can check out when each automatic backup took place. It's super helpful, especially if you ever wonder, what did my site look like before I made that major layout change last week? But let's say you want to make a manual backup. Maybe you're about to overhaul your homepage, or you just want to hit save before testing out a new idea. For that extra bit of control, look for the New Backup button. Give it a click. Webflow lets you add a description for this backup, totally optional, but honestly it's a good idea to jot down something memorable, like before blog redesign or just added new product page. This small description might be a lifesaver when you're hunting for the right restore point later on. Once you're happy, click the Save button, and that's it. Webflow will create a snapshot of your entire project at that very moment. This process is pretty quick, but if you have a lot of content, it might take a brief moment. Just give it a second and you'll see your new backup appear in the list. Now let's talk about restoring a backup. Suppose you've made changes that didn't quite work out, or you simply want to go back to an earlier version. All you need to do is hover your cursor over the backup you want to return to. You'll notice a preview button pops up, which is incredibly useful. If you want to make absolutely sure this is the version you want, you can preview it first. It's a bit like flipping through old photos before deciding which one to frame. See those three little dots next to your backup? Go ahead and click on them. This reveals a mini menu where you'll see options to restore or even rename your backup. If you're sure about rolling back, click Restore and Webflow will take care of everything instantly, replacing your current site with the version from your chosen backup. And that's really all there is to it. Taking control of your backups in Webflow is simple, but it can make a world of difference if something ever goes sideways. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if there's another Webflow topic you'd like me to cover. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.